Yeah, I can share you the link of what I've made if you want to, if you're curious.
Yeah, for sure.
Here, I put in the private chat. You can see what I've made. So it's kind of a simple website, just about myself and no code in the internet, computer, of course, all the good stuff.
I saw this one. Yeah. This is the first
Yeah.
website that I saw.
Okay, great.
It's really nice.
Well, thank you. And you know what? It's pretty straightforward. Once you're able to log in and get the ICP over that type of thing, it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, let's go. I'm happy to go through it together with you, though. In any case, to see what you think about it and all that good stuff.
For sure, for sure. Okay. Um So maybe you can walk me through like the features of the app. This kind of be like an interview session for me. So since
Perfect.
this is the first time I'm building here, I hope to build one website after this. So but morely to be completely honest with you, there's a learning curve for me. So some of the items I don't really understand a bit. So
Okay.
like for example, like convert ICP to cycles. So what does that mean? Like
Yep.
the
Okay,
yeah,
great. Yeah,
those
let's
kinds
get
of things.
started.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, cool. I'm
Cool.
just going to throw this link on Twitter for quickly, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I
And
don't mind really. Yeah.
yeah, to then go from there. But yeah, I mean, maybe you can start though by just letting me know, what brought you to the internet computer or ICME in the first place. Like, what are you hoping to achieve?
I like the idea of ownership. So basically, since the
Okay.
world is moving to a more ownership type of industry, and then as myself, like I said, I'm not a coder, but I'm interested in the Web3 movement. So I'm looking for tools that can help me build things as soon as possible, as quickly to validate in the market. And I see that this tool has the potential to do that. So, but the thing is, since I came from a no coder and I'm still getting started in the space. So I wanted to test a lot of ideas through this platform. And I saw that you guys were planning to build up like a no coding tool, but for Web3. So that's what got me into it. And I hope there's a lot more platforms like this one because it's a lot harder for me as a no coder to build my own team and launch my own
Yeah.
project. Like typically on how startups would
Yeah.
do it, and you find this amazing Web3 movement, but you don't really have the experience or the resources to do it with a team. So I want something that I can do it by myself for now, and then eventually, if I have the money, I can move it. But if the tool grows, I want my ideas to grow here as well, if you know what I mean. Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely. No, that's great, and that's what I think is really great about ICMe, because 100% we're part of the no code movement, which is all about being able to build software yourself without having to write code. And secondarily, or at the same time, that is, we're also about Web3 and and internet computer and blockchain and tokens and all that. So that's really, I think, really helpful too,
Yeah.
to really combine both of those, because they're really, most people or most software is quite limited in how you can combine Web3 with no code building. But here it
Yes.
is. That's why I love ICME so much, is that it combines two, I think, of the most exciting things that are going on in software, no code, and blockchain. And we're really just getting started here with ICME building websites at the moment, but then soon we'll be adding data and the ability to add data and run smart contracts and dApps and all that good stuff as well.
I like
So
those. I like those.
do you want to share? Currently, you're sharing. I think, yeah, you're sharing that tab, and I put it on I put it on the screen as well. So that definitely works. So yeah, why don't we
Mhm.
kind of go ahead and get started with respect to um, getting started. So where are you in the process? Let me ask you of getting ICP tokens in the first place. Have you managed to get any and put them in your wallet?
Not yet, but that is the question I wanted to ask. How does
Sure.
the whole thing work before I get started? Yeah.
Yeah. So what you want to do is go purchase ICP tokens, whether it's Coinbase or
I see.
Kraken or whatever exchange you like, and
Okay.
you'll need 1.2 ICP to get started, and then it's zero point 0.2 ICP per month after that.
Check transfers. So you will need to apply an account to your check transfers. Okay. So you can find it here.
Then you transfer to your wallet and then transfer to ICME.
Okay, so how does the transferring I know the transferring of money works, but is it this one? This is my address, my ICP address?
Yeah, so the one that you see, the NNS address, that is the address that's associated with your internet identity. So when you
I
create an
see.
internet identity, if you go into the NNS app website address, you see it, the address there, um, nns.ic0.app. If you go there, log in with your internet identity that you just used to log into ICMe, then you will see your specific wallet, NNS wallet, that
I
goes
see.
with your internet identity.
Okay. 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 Oh, hold on, hold on. Okay.
Yeah, take your time.
Sure. Proceed. Okay. I see. Okay. Loading account. Okay, I got it here. So I'll be sending money here. Okay. Go to Binance. I have a question. So how
Yeah.
many ICP I need to get started? Like how what's the amount for me to get started?
1.2.
Really depends.
And it's 1.2.
1.2.
Yeah, so you may
1.2
want to
ICP.
transfer 1.3 over because there's a little bit of fees that get charged along the way.
ICP to
I, I think you should start with, you should purchase or transfer to your wallet, an NS wallet 1.3.
Okay, got it. Key. Okay. I'll be able to send it. I'm just logging in.
Yeah, great.
Right. Zero, 5, 6.
Let me know if you have any questions or how that process is going. The settings tab, yeah, should be all you really need.
Get it in a sec. CP. Oh, I see.
Is it working?
Yes, I just saw it. I just need to pass some of my USDT to my ICP. Give me a sec.
Yeah, take your time. Great. One step at a time. This, believe me, this is the hardest part. Icing is much easier than getting kind of set up.
The whole part of this one is a lot more harder for the people who tried it, basically.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
You break anything yet?
No, no. Actually, I'm transferring my USDT to ICP, but it's just really loading really slow. So just give me a few
Okay,
seconds.
nice.
Yeah. But I do have a question. How did you
Yes.
come up with this kind of product in the first place?
Yeah, really, the credit really goes to Wyatt Benno, who built it out so far. I've certainly had a strong interest in no code and a strong interest in blockchain and the internet computer in particular for a while. So I've been looking and hoping to merge my interests. And Wyatt, he applied for a Dfinity grant, Dfinity Foundation grant, obtained it, and built this out so far this year. And I came on board on the company not too long ago to help us grow and move forward.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And why did you? Sorry, I'm using this on an interview because I'm trying to pass it. So I don't want to waste your time, but I
No,
just wanted to
this
learn
is
more
great.
about your business. Yeah.
Yeah.
So why
And
did
I
you
think I,
decide to build? Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
oh yeah, no. Why aside? I think the internet computer really is unique and has some exciting features that no other blockchain has. I think it really is the world computer that Ethereum should have been, or we were hoping that it was. You know, when it launched 5 years ago or so. And that's why I think it's so amazing to have a no code builder, not just for blockchain, but specifically for the internet computer. If that answers the question you were going to ask, I'm not sure.
Yeah, it did. It did actually.
Great.
Give me a sec. It's right here.
Next week should be a fun week in New York with NFT NYC. That's where I'm based in New York City.
Oh, NFT. You'll be going to the NFT NYC event?
Yeah, or at least some parts of it.
Well, I'm based in Asia, so I can't go. But I'm
Oh
really
yeah,
interested in that space too.
yeah. I think
So
it's going to be
I
a
also
really
saw on
cool
your
thing.
website that you guys will be working on a NFT builder as well. So I'm really interested
Yeah,
in that
that'll
one.
that'll yeah, definitely adding allowing people to customize and do some new things with NFTs is definitely part of our roadmap.
Got it, got it. So, human, I'm having a hard time with my builder, but after the session, I plan to build everything after this. To not waste your time, would it be possible for you to have a demo with me? And then basically, if I have questions once I start building, I can send over the link to you
Yeah,
via Twitter, and then basically
that would be
you can
great.
be the judge of it. Yeah, you can be the
Okay,
judge
cool.
of it. Yeah,
That'd be
okay.
fun.
I
Yeah,
wanna.
yeah, that'd be fun.
Okay, okay, okay. So, I can also share my sentiments, like what I build, and at the same
Great.
time create like a review of it. Yeah, and share it to
Yeah,
my friends,
perfect.
my no code friends as well. Okay,
Nice. Cool. I'm around tomorrow or next week, of course. Just let me know when.
okay, sure. So, would you be able to give me like a crash course on this one?
Yeah, absolutely. Anytime. Anytime you're ready.
Okay. And
So do you want to get set up now and meet later? Is that what you're saying too?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
I'm still figuring out. At least it doesn't waste the time. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, so I will see you, whenever you're ready. And it was nice to
Okay.
meet you and thanks for your interest.
Yes. I'll be working on this one mostly, but I just wanted to ask what are the things that I can already build on the dashboard on the website?
Yeah, you can build like a multi-page site that links to each other. You can add your own text, images, different user interface elements as well. And there's a login feature now too, so you can have separate pages require login. You'll see a login button.
Login button. I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can
Were
create
you
a
able to?
blog.
Yeah,
I'm looking at the
blogs.
page builder actually. Yeah.
Exactly. And were you able to transfer your tokens? Did you have a problem with that?
A little bit of a problem. Yeah, a little bit of a problem
Oh,
on that one.
okay.
But I do have a comment on yeah, I do have a comment on the dashboard. Maybe if there's like a simple onboarding on the first steps. So actually, this is the first time you told me that I need to transfer
Yeah.
ICP. So at least like if it's already there, like I could see it, anyone can transfer and do the transfer right away. So
Okay.
at least like I didn't know that I need to transfer ICPs. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, we can make that maybe more clear and
Like
easy as
I
well.
wanted like a way for me to see it like it's right there and then basically I can transfer right away. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So like when other people can see it, they can already transfer the ICP. Yeah. And
Yeah.
I think this one is interesting for me, like components and stuff. Products, contacts. But I can connect with you and is it okay if I bring someone to also learn with me as well?
Yeah. More the merrier. That would be
Okay,
great.
cool. I'll let my friend know to send
Okay,
his
cool.
ICP as well.
Great.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I'll see you soon then.
Yes, please. I'll
Okay.
connect with you once I set up my account, and then maybe like tomorrow or tomorrow if you're free, I can message you,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah, I
I
can
can
do
bring
it
my friend
tomorrow.
as well who will register for the ICP. Okay.
Wonderful.